The decoder tool within Burp Suite does the job of encoding and decoding data. Applications need to encode data while transmission. Oftentimes, developers do the mistake of storing sensitive information in the encoded data. So one way is to decode the data to see if you can decipher any sensitive information. So Burp tool decoder can do the job for you. So let's look at one simple example. So if you look at this in the repeater tool, there is a cryptic text which you can see here, but you can try to highlight those the entire string and right click and say send it to decoder, and the decoder tab is highlighted here. So once you go there, you can do different ways, but one option is you can say decode as base 64. Since this has only the alphanumeric values, it's probably a base 64 encoded value, so we can try to decode as base 64. So if you look at that, so it decodes into a sensitive value with a username and password, which is all encoded within this particular string. So you can also use the decoder to encode and decode to these various different values. And there is also a hash function which you can convert or find a hash of any value for these algorithms that are specified in that list. So again, a decoder is a very simple tool. So get comfortable with this tool, and as you might never know when this will come handy.